Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 5 Wi-Fi issue or no Wi-Fi. For that we have to replace this module. First of all, cover these components beside. It's very important. Okay. Here we go. Apply heat over all the module around 400 degrees. Use a sharp tool to lift it from the bottom. It doesn't have balls. It's some leg-like structure. Okay, here it is. This is the module. Just clean the glue properly. We have cleaned it under microscope, so we're gonna upload the video how to clean the glue soon. This is the new one. Apply some flux. Okay, just make sure it is in a proper position. This is very important. Just hold it for a while. Apply heat. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, done. Apply heat all over. Don't focus heat in a same place, just apply overall. If the component is disturbed, okay, let's check it. This is the old one. It's a common issue in iPhone 5, so we have to replace this module. You can find this module online. You can buy it from online. Okay, don't forget to place the cable of Wi-Fi. Okay, let's check it. Soon we're gonna upload a video regarding how to clean the glue. I know your people are very eager to know how to clean this black glue. It's an old module. Okay. Okay, it's working. Here we see the Wi-Fi. Okay, this is mine. Okay, done. It's working now. Let's browse. Let's see it's working properly. Okay, come on. Okay, it's working. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel.